welcome back to my channel. It's me Deepak from Experimental Boys. You are watching this face after a long time, I know, but today's video is about night mode pro photography in Realme phones. So let's move to screen mode.
I think the girls with their nails done now. Girls with their
So we are here on the screen mode. But firstly, I am going to say a big thank you to all my viewers and subscribers, of course, haters for making this night mode pro photography video the most popular video on my channel, which was uploaded exactly 1 year ago on today's date and time. You can check there. So this is the part 2 of that video. In this video I am going to use Realme 5 Pro. As of last time I had used Redmi phone. So let's begin. So here I am under the dark night sky. You can't see because it's in screen mode. Firstly, rotate the phone horizontally for a wider view. Here in my Realme, let's start the camera. Here you can see it's quite dark and time is near to 9:15. So firstly let's take a normal photo just to compare. Let's click a photo. And then let's move to pro or manual mode. It comes with many manual settings as ISO, shutter speed, white balance, autofocus and much more. And now let's click the perfect and clear night image with these settings. Firstly set the ISO to 600, it's just like brightness. Now set the shutter speed to 16 seconds and let be white balance near to 5500K and take the autofocus to infinity to multiple focus and just click on capture button. It will take 16 seconds to capture the best quality image. Before it, make sure that your phone must be fixed on its place and remain stable for some times. I suggest a tripod can be best for it.
Yeah, boy.
A little bit shaking of phone while capturing photo will destroy your image and click the blurry overlapped image. Now our both images are ready to be compared. But before that, I am going to tell you something more about the settings. You can see here is ISO. It is for brightness. In low light, you can set the ISO to 6400. But when enough light is present, set the ISO to minimum. Shutter speed is about to capturing the all the lights coming towards it in the given time. White balance is about to change the weather to cold to warm. Multiple focus is about when multiple things are there to focus. And now let's move to our images and results.
A few moments later.
As in normal mode, you can see it's so disgusting image does not provide us better view or a clear image. But in pro mode, here the image quality is supremely great and provide us a better view. Same image comparison you can see. Here I have tried by changing ISO to different levels on the same image. You can see it affects the image quality and views are some different. So here are some more images I have clicked for the comparisons by changing the level of ISOs and white balance. As you can see, the image quality are great as up to the mark and it provides us quite detailed and clear image which seems to be taken in bright daylight. So remember that these great images are taken in night by a Realme phone with Sony IMX586 camera sensor, which is doing a great job. Most of the phones are coming with manual pro mode. You can try in different phones by changing ISO levels, white balance, and shutter speed. After watching these comparisons and images, at last I hope it will be useful video for you. So show your support by liking the video and leave a comment down for more ideas to make my next videos. So subscribe to Experimental Boys cause we will upload more these types of videos in coming time. So goodbye and yeah, hint.